Alright, making this video because when I got my 63 Continental, didn't have any dash lights, and as you can see, now it has dash lights. So I think mainly, I think I got a couple bulbs maybe out here, but they're working. I had nothing before. My interior lights would work, but so I think what goes on in here is the contacts get all gummed up, and this is actually the I guess old rheostat or something that you know, it's got to, I don't know, this is how it dims through this resistance through this coil here. So as you can see now, I have, it does dim. So I took this all apart. This is all spring loaded, so I'll try to do it again for you here. So this comes, there's a spring here, so you can take this out. So I actually had another spring. The other one that was in it right here, kind of, the tip broke off as I took it out, so figured I'd replace it, and just so happened to have a little cone shaped spring in my garage. So this goes here. I cleaned up this copper connection here, cleaned up this one. This is actually the one that runs on the winding for the dimming, and I'm not sure what makes connection down here, but this obviously has to make good connection too. So this here is your sensor for the interior lights. So when you click this up, your interior lights turn on. So that's how that works. So this little white thing here is kind of a bushing to make it go smoothly. So that goes into the bottom here and goes right there. So that sits there. It's a little bit of a handful to get this together, but this spring is in between here. There's one post here that's wider than the other, so you can see this one is wider. So that obviously goes like that. So you compress this, and you bring it in right here, and just gotta hold your tongue right a little bit. Sorry, it's kind of, this is probably kind of boring, but some people might want to know how this goes back together. So you look at that. I mean, it's still, it's old and it's patchy, but